They say time is money. Well, Google AI Studio literally saves time and makes money. So technically, it's a money printing machine. Google AI Studio supercharges Google Sheets with AI, meaning it can automate boring stuff like data entry, calculations, and even forecasting trends. Translation? You can become an Excel wizard overnight. Sell automated templates, offer spreadsheet optimization services, or even teach Excel automation as a side hustle. Businesses need this. You supply it, you profit. Simple. A wise man once said, "Death, taxes, and ugly PowerPoint slides." Well, not anymore. Gamma turns your text into jaw-dropping presentations with zero design skills required. That means startups, small businesses, and even students would happily pay for well-made slides, charge for pitch decks, create ebooks, or even sell pre-made templates online. No stress, just profit. Ever wanted to make music but lack talent? Great, same. Suno's got us covered. With Suno, you can create full-fledged songs just by typing a prompt. Sell custom songs for birthdays, podcasts, or even YouTube intros. Or take it further and let the algorithm make you viral and rich. The AI music wave is coming, and this is your VIP ticket. If Midjourney and a 3D printer had a baby, it'd be Leonardo AI. But this baby makes you money. Whether you're making game assets, product renders, or digital art, this tool is gold. Sell 3D models on Sketchfab, provide rendering services for startups, or design product mock-ups for online stores. Less time designing, more time stacking cash. Ever wanted Morgan Freeman to narrate your life? Well, AI isn't that powerful yet, but 11 Labs comes close. With 11 Labs, you can create hyper-realistic AI voiceovers, sell audiobook narration, add voiceovers, or custom brand voices. Content creators, businesses, and even YouTubers are looking for high-quality AI voices, and you can provide them. Easy money. Why spend hours doing market research when AI can do it for you in minutes? DeepSeek generates comprehensive reports, business strategies, and market analyses. Charge startups and businesses for detailed insights, create business presentations, or even start your own research consulting gig. This isn't just another AI tool, it's your shortcut to becoming a business intelligence expert. All right, that's a wrap. Now don't just sit there. Go try these tools. And while you're at it, check out these other AI-powered money-making videos. Click one now.